Cat-Astrophe.
All the way from Townville, I present the dogs.
What's up, girl?
I need tight security.
Got it.
Let's Robert! Dogs! Dogs!
Meanwhile, in space.
Go fish. Oh yeah, yum.
Where in space are we?
Ugh, tall tale. That's gross.
That Happy Meal is good. Nom 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 nom.
Man, McDonald's is way better than cat food.
Speaking of McDonald's, we should land soon. No,
No!
wait. Are you sure? I think this will work.
My book! My magazine! No! I had an ace! No!
What is that? Excuse me?
What can I help you with?
I just saw a flying shopping cart.
What? I better check it out.
Oh, I'm starving. Oh, can I interest you in some pizza?
Oh yes, I love pizza.
What is that? Could we have landed someplace else besides this? Look, McDonald's! Let's eat there.
Okay, this seems weird.
Wait. Stop it! Come back! You took all my food! Can someone please help me? At least I got my pizza.
What happened here? What's going on? I heard there was a shopping cart sighting.
It was cats. They took my food.
I'll get him.
Dogs! Ugh, this band is as bad as a poodle.
Let's shut him down, boys.
Aw, the kitty!
Get off me!
Get off me! Get off me!
Please, no, not me, no! No, my concert! That's good. Your concert was tuna. Ew. Dogs! Let's get out of here! Run! Where have you been? Oh, good job. Now I have to clean these cats up. Ah, my head! Ow, 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 ow. Vacuum time! Yeah! Meow.
Out now. But at least we got McDonald's.
Hey, where'd everybody go? Oh, well.
The end.
Nope. Pew, 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 pew.